Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here, creating this look. Obviously, I've already finished it, but the sun is sort of out today. It was out, of course, earlier when I started this video, but now it looks a little suspicious, but also kind of warm. So I have the day off and I am going to check out some of the vintage stores in my neighborhood. There's like two, but I thought I would walk there. Sorry, my cat's freaking out. There's a squirrel outside. But it is just a very simple eye. I just did mascara and then I took a little bit of brown and black shadow around to define my eyes, just brows. I did a tiny bit of low-key contouring, a little bit of highlight, and then a dramatic sort of berry violet lip. It's got quite a bit of staying power because there's some layering that with a few different lipsticks and lip liners. And then I am wearing my vintage Feelin' Free top that I recently got at a vintage store, and my hair is all over it. And then I have actually my boyfriend's Dickies on, which I have taken, and they're kind of big and I guess oversized, but they're not really baggy. They're pretty form-fitting, but kind of had that loose look to them, so I'm going to wear those with some boots and sort of a 70s look with my bangs, and I'm going to fluff up my hair a little more like I always do, and I'm going to get going. So stay tuned. I know I talk a lot. Video starting now.